3 channels, 3 completely different niches. One thing in common: no face, no camera, no recording studio. Every single video is faceless. Roman gladiators, training without a single crunch. An astronaut floating in silence and then realizing the darkness below them is breathing. A manager telling you are irreplaceable and keeping you in the same role for 3 years. Those opening lines got millions of people to stop scrolling. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build and blew up the exact same channels from zero using a step-by-step workflow. But before we get into the tools, I need to show you the one step most beginners completely skip. It is the reason some channels blow up in 30 days and others post 50 videos and go nowhere. Stay with me, because this changes everything. Welcome to AIpreneur. This is the channel where beginners learn to build real content systems with AI. And today, we're building the most powerful one, a faceless YouTube channel that keeps blowing up. Even if you are beginner, look at the 3 niches I just showed you: fitness history, scary space, workplace psychology. Those are not random picks. They are proven and wide open right now. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build inside any one of them. Here is what we are covering today. Step 1, find winning video ideas using the channels that are already blowing up. Step 2, turn those ideas into a full script using Claude AI. Step 3, generate a professional voiceover without a microphone. Step 4, build cinematic visuals using AI tools. And lastly, step 5, edit and export everything together. Done. Let us build it. Step 1, find your winning video idea. All right, let us start by step 1, where most beginners rush past. They just ask ChatGPT for ideas and run with whatever it gives them. That is not how you get viral. The fastest way to find a winning idea is to find one that is already working. Then make it better with your unique approach. Let me teach you pro tactics used by big creators for this step. Tactic 1, find the outliers, the spike method. Go to YouTube, search your niche. For example, ancient warrior fitnesses or scary space documentary. Now look at the channels and the results. You are not looking for the biggest channels. You are looking for the outliers. An outlier is a video that got 10x more views than the channel's average. That is a signal that YouTube pushed it. People clicked and people watched. That topic has proven demand. Write it down. That is your starting point. Tactic 2, vidIQ and TubeBuddy for trend data. Now, if you want to go deeper, use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to grant the winning ideas. Both have free versions. Both show you exactly which keywords are growing right now. In vidIQ, go to the trending section. Filter by your niche: fitness, space, self-improvement. Look for videos with high views but low competition score. That gap is your opportunity. Tactic 3, use ChatGPT to brainstorm angles. Now, you have a topic that is proven, but you need to make it better, more specific, and more emotional. And this is where ChatGPT comes in. Paste this prompt. ChatGPT will generate 10 ideas in under 30 seconds. Now compare those ideas against what you found in the outlier research. Pick the one that matches both. It's emotionally strong and it already has proven demand. That is your video. Tactic 4, validate with Notebook LM. One more tactic before you move to scripting. Use Google Notebook LM to validate your topic. Go to notebooklm.google.com, upload 3 to 5 YouTube articles about your chosen topic, then ask it, what questions do people most want answered about this topic? Notebook LM will pull from the actual content and give you the real gaps, the questions that have not been answered well yet. Those gaps become your script's structure. Now let us write the script. And this next part, pay close attention, because this is where most channels sound fake, robotic, and boring. We are going to avoid that completely. Step 2, write the script with Claude AI. I want to be very direct with you here. Do not use ChatGPT for your script. Use Claude. Claude writes with more nuance, better narrative flow, and it sounds more human. Because your viewer is going to spend 8 to 12 minutes with this voice. It needs to feel real. And here's the 2 tricks method I use for that. First, pass the full script draft. Second, pass voiceover optimization. For the first one, paste this prompt into Claude. That let Claude generate a full, clean script based on your chosen topic and hit enter. in under 60 seconds. Claude will generate a full draft. Read it, make sure the hook is strong and the story flows. Then second pass, the voiceover optimization. And for that, paste this prompt immediately after in the same Claude conversation. That will enhance your script to be like a human speaking. That is the difference between an AI video that feels real and one that sounds like a robot reading Wikipedia. Now you have your script. Time to give it a real voice. Step 3, generate your voiceover. And you have 3 great options here. I will show you all 3 and tell you which one to use for each type of video. Option 1, 11 Labs, best for cinematic and emotional content. 11 Labs is your best choice for the 3 niches we are working with today. Fitness history, scary space, workplace psychology. All of them need an emotional cinematic voice, and 11 Labs delivers that. So go to 11labs.io, create a free account in the voice library, search for a calm American male voice. Look for voices tagged as documentary or narrative. Once you've chosen your voice, go to settings, set stability to 50, set similarity boost to 75. That combination gives you the most natural delivery. Paste your cleaned voiceover script, hit generate, and download the MP3. Done. Under 3 minutes. Option 2, Google Text-to-Speech, best for fast batch production. If you are producing multiple VIDs per week and want a faster workflow, Google Text-to-Speech is excellent. It integrates directly with other Google tools. For long-form content, the male WaveNet D voice works best for documentary style. Option 3, Minimax, best for expressive, emotional delivery. For the scary space niche, specifically Minimax is worth testing. Its voices carry more emotional range than most AI tools. And for content that depends on tension and fear that matters. So go to minimax.com, create a free account, paste your script, and choose a deep, calm male voice. Generate and download. Now, moving to the part that makes these videos look cinematic. Let us go. Step 4, build cinematic visuals, the full AI pipeline. This step makes your channel look like it had a production budget. Moreover, it costs you nothing. Here is the full pipeline we're going to build. ChatGPT generates your visual prompts. Google Gemini with a Nano Banana model creates your images. Google Flow with VO3 turns those images into cinematic video clips. Then CapCut ties everything together. Let's start by the first one. Generate your visual prompts in ChatGPT. All right, now you have your script from step 2. Next, you need to turn it into visual instructions. So go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. That helps us generate all prompts needed and hit enter. In few moments, ChatGPT will generate your first 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. Keep this chat open. You will come back and type next to get the next batch. Keep going until you have prompts for the entire script. Now, let's creating our visuals from these prompts. Create images with Nano Banana in Google Gemini. Now open Google Gemini at gemini.google.com. In the model selector, choose create an image. Paste your first image prompt. Make sure to add this at the end of every prompt. 16:9 ratio, cinematic quality. Generate the image. If you don't love it, adjust one word and regenerate. Once you are happy, do the same for all remaining image prompts in the same chat. Important rule, generate all images in the same Gemini conversation. This keeps the visual environment consistent, same lighting, same style, and same world. Download all your images when done. Now it's time to animate these images in the next step. Animate images into video with Google Flow plus VO3. So go to flow.google.com. Create a new project. Upload all your downloaded Nano Banana images at once. Select the first image. Choose Google VO3 as your video model. Make sure the ratio is set to 16:9. Now paste the matching video prompt. ChatGPT generated for this image. Click Generate. VO3 will animate your still image into a cinematic moving video clip. Do this for all your images using the matching video prompts. Pro tip, if a clip does not match your vision, adjust the prompt slightly. Add or remove one detail. Regenerate. Do not start over from scratch. Now you have your voiceover, your script, and your video clips. Time to put it all together. Step 5, edit in CapCut to make it professional. This is where everything comes together, and I'm going to give you the exact editing structure to use. Firstly, open CapCut Desktop. Create a new project. Then, import your voiceover MP3 from 11 Labs first. Next, drop it on the audio track. Let it play through once and listen. And lastly, import all your VO3 video clips and lay them out on the timeline in the order your script follows. Now go to text, then auto captions. Select your voiceover file and click Generate. CapCut will transcribe the entire voiceover automatically. Now style your captions to match the channel brand. Choose your font and make the text large enough to read on mobile. That is where most people will watch. For keywords, the emotional trigger words, make them high contrast. Those words should pop. They keep attention on screen. Now, the most important rule in editing for retention: something must change on screen every 3 to 5 seconds. That doesn't mean fast cuts. It means visual variety. A zoom in, a text pop-up, a sound effect, a new clip, a call-out arrow, anything that resets the viewer's attention. Watch the 3 channels we showed at the start. Count the seconds between visual changes. You will see exactly what I mean. Then, add free background music from YouTube library or CapCut's built-in library. Search cinematic, documentary, or dark atmospheric. Set the music volume to -18 decibels and add some sound effects: clicks, whooshes, tension builds at -12. That balance keeps the voice clear and the music supportive. Lastly, when you are ready to export, use these settings. Resolution 1080p. Frame rate 30 frames per second. Bit rate recommended. Format MP4. And that's it. Your video is ready.
Your manager calls you irreplaceable. That is exactly the problem. You smile, you say thank you, and something in your chest tightens. Just slightly, just enough. You have heard that word before, and you know what it really means. It means do not go anywhere. It means we need you here. It means you belong to this place. And here's the thing nobody tells you. That compliment was not an accident.
Now, before I wrap up, let me remind you of something. The 3 niches I showed you at the start, they're not random examples. They are your roadmap. These are real numbers from real channels using the exact same workflow I just showed you. The fitness channel opened with a Roman gladiator hook. The space channel used fear and curiosity in every title. The psychology channel targeted a frustration every office worker feels. Hook with emotion and back it with facts. That is the formula. That is the full system, and you can start today. Pick one of the 3 niches. Pick one idea then, make one video. The system starts the moment you start. If this helped you, subscribe, because next week, I am breaking down the most trending faceless niches for 2026. The free prompt pack we used today in this video is in the description. Download it. It will save you hours. And if you want to see exactly how to automate all this workflow, watch this next video where I teach you how to make these videos in bulk in under 1 hour. See you there. Thanks for watching.